Business Model Canvas. Good morning everyone. Today among i-present ang among business model canvas for our product, cabbage burger stick. The business model canvas is a simple one-page framework nga naga-explain how our business works. Gikan sa customers namo until sa how we earn money. It helps us understand how every part of the business connect together to create value and profit. So karon ato isa-isahon ang 9 building blocks sa among business. 9 building blocks in overview. Our business model is composed of 9 important parts. Customer segments, kinsa mo customer, value proposition, channels, how we reach them, customer relationship, how we connect with them, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnership, cost structure. Slide 3, customer segments. First is customer segments, meaning kinsa mo target customers. Our product is for student, families, healthy conscious and consumers, budget conscious buyers, vegetarians and halal consumers. Dako among slide 4, value proposition. Next is value proposition. This is the value or benefits nga among gina-offer sa customers. We solve two main problems. Mahal ang meat-based burger stick, kulang ang affordable and healthy meal options. So unsa among solution? Healthy alternative, low fat, high fiber, vitamin rich and cholesterol free. Affordable, only 40 per serving compared sa 50 pesos or 80 pesos nga meat versions. Third is unique cabbage and main ingredients but familiar gyapon ang taste. Convenient, easy to prepare, serve and eat anytime. So customers choose us because lami siya, healthier and affordable pa.
Slide 5, channels. Next is channels. How we reach and serve our customers. Among product mahimong available sa food stalls, school canteens, community areas, social media and online selling platforms. For promotion, use social media posting, word of mouth marketing, free tests, school selling activities. Customer can order directly to a stall or online, then among prepare, i-pack and deliver needed. We make sure nga dili makita ang mga orders among product. Then next is slide 6, customer relationships. Next is customer relationships. How we build connection with customers. First is personal assistance, friendly customer service, and direct communication. Online interaction, accepting orders through messenger or social media pages. Community building, posting updates and interacting with customers online. Co-creation, we listen sa customer nga suggestion like new flavors or improvements. We believe nga importante ang good relationship with customer para musalig sila sa among product and mahimong loyal buyers.
Good day everyone. Slide 7, revenue streams. Next is revenue streams, meaning how we earn money. Our income mainly comes from 1. Direct selling of cabbage burger stick. Meal combos and bulk orders. Our price is 40 per serving, which is affordable but still profitable for the business. We earn by providing healthy and tasty meals nga swak sa budget sa customers. Slide 8, key resources. Now let's move to key resources, the important things we need to operate. Physical resources, cooking equipment, ingredients, packaging, and kitchen tools. Intellectual resources, our unique recipe, concept, and brand. Human resources, skill in cooking, marketing, and customer service. Financial resources, start-up capital for engagement and operation. These resources help us produce and deliver quality products properly.
Slide 9. Key activities. Next is key activities, the daily tasks needed to run the business. Preparing ingredient and cooking, patties, making, gravy and packaging, product marketing and promoting online, checking food quality and consistency, managing inventory and supplies. These activities make sure and smooth and operation and quality always among product. Slide 10. Key partnerships. Next is key partnerships. The people and groups and among ka-partner local supplies for vegetable, space and packaging materials, delivery rides for online order and deliveries, school and community organize for selling opportunities and promotion. These partnerships help use reduce costs, improve delivery, and reach more customers. Slide 11. Cost structure. Next is cost structure among business expenses, fixed costs, rent, electricity, water, and equipment.